So today is going to be probably a really long day. I have an event at 2 p.m. so it's about 10 right now, and I'm just gonna have some breakfast, my smoothie as always. I don't film this anymore because it's literally the same thing every time. And while I have my smoothie, I will just do some emails and I don't know, just sit around and watch YouTube or something. Oh, this nail hurts so bad. Okay, so if you watch my last vlog, I want to take off my gel nails, and I tried soaking them for some reason, like soaking them in acetone. Nothing happened, so I had to pretty much pull them off. And I know it's really bad, but I just wanted them off in the moment, and I don't have an electric file, so I did it. And like, my nails are really thin, like I don't care, it's just like whatever, it grows back. But one nail was really bad. This one, I have to put a band-aid on it later. This is literally my skin. Like, there's like such a thin layer of nail on here, like the bottom part, and it's really sensitive. There's still a little bit of glitter on there, so I kind of fucked up that one, but I'm gonna put a band-aid on it before I leave. But my nails are pretty much short now, and I don't know, it's kind of just nice and refreshing. I am going to make breakfast now and then shower after breakfast and get ready. I have a really cute outfit that I'm gonna wear because yesterday I went out shopping and I got like 3 things, not a lot, but I got this really pretty midi skirt and this like kind of high neck top from Zara, and I'm gonna wear those with, I don't know which shoes yet, probably my Alexander McQueen's, maybe my Doc Martens, I don't know yet. It is 11 right now, and I'm gonna go take a shower. My sister and I are meeting up at the station at like 1. So I'm gonna take a shower so I don't have to rush and like shave my legs and shit. You know how we do it. So what I wanted to wear was, let's see, I'll wear this bra. So I have this I got this top from Zara. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see, it's like a high neck, it's ribbed, and it's like a 3/4 length sleeve, I don't really know. Also, maybe a leather jacket, this one's new as well, also from Zara. And then this skirt that I got yesterday, which is like one of these. I'll show you a better view later. It's like a midi skirt. Oh, I forgot there was makeup on that shirt. I don't know what I want to wear with it yet. Either that Zara top, or actually maybe I have this like leopard blouse from Topshop that I haven't worn yet. But like, I wear leopard every day, dude. Like, it's all over my Instagram. I might wear these with it. Would that be cute? Let me just sit here and wait for this to dry and then rinse it off. Ignore the mess in the background, but this is my outfit. I already put on my jacket. I'm gonna take some better outfit pics later with these shoes on. Gonna grab a quick snack from the way, and then I'm gonna go. So we're in Amsterdam right now, and we have to take a tram, right, to the location. So I got some Starbucks, got myself some coffee, some energy, and yeah.
Don't pretend you're sorry, even if you're crying. You know how to make me worry. I can tell you're lying. Looking through old photos.
Good morning. So I'm just quickly doing my skincare right now. I'm gonna go grocery shopping with my mom. I'm also going to be filming a Halloween video today, so that's exciting. Went to sleep at I don't remember what time I went to sleep, like 2 or something. And I wanted to wake up really early to edit, and then I didn't realize I forgot to set my alarm. So I woke up at like 8:30, which is still fine, but I wanted to wake up earlier. Still got to edit though, but I didn't get to like answer emails and stuff. Am I the only one who finds it so satisfying to like pop your blackheads? Because I just did, like my nose is swollen now because I just did it. It's a little red. It is so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna go grocery shopping and I'll see you guys later. I just finished filming my Halloween video. I think I did pretty good. My hands are like stained from the fake blood. This didn't even take me that long. I'm so proud. Bitch, this looks fucking good. It's too bad I don't celebrate Halloween this year, but okay, so I have to go clean up now because I filmed this in my mom's room in front of her like curtain because it was dark. I wanted a dark background. There was no black. Like I literally had nothing black to put in the background. So I'm hoping the brown will do. I need to go clean all of this up and then take a shower and get rid of all of this and take it off my face. And then I need to bleach the knots of a wig and film that because I'm working on a hair dyeing video of a wig. I just put some coconut oil in my hair because my hair needs to be washed like really badly. Also, my brows kind of look really fucking good. Like I just filled them in like normal and then I went in with like a black eyeshadow like on the like tail, I guess. I look fucking crazy. I peeled off most of the blood and now I'm just gonna take off the makeup and then I'll put on a face mask and then wash my hair and then take off the face mask in the shower. I put on so much. I look fucking crazy. It feels so good to take it off. Look at how weird the color is. Oh, that feels so good. Only sad part is that my hands are stained and my chest is a little bit stained, so. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face, put on a face mask, and then go ahead and wash my hair and stuff now. I'll see you guys later. So my mom's walking Devin right now. And while she's away, I'll clean my room. And then I'll probably have dinner. I'm not sure if she's gonna cook for me or I'm cooking for myself, but either way, I'm having dinner, so. Good morning. So, it is, I think it's almost 12 actually. I had breakfast, I did a lot of emails, and now I'm just going to like wash my face and stuff. I didn't end up doing anything to my hair last night, I just put it into a bun, so I am going to blow dry it, and then I need to film myself bleaching the knots of this wig because I didn't end up doing it yesterday. I'm visiting my half sister, which you guys don't know. I don't think I've talked about her on my channel before, but she had a baby, so I'm not vlogging that obviously because it's like really private. So I'm gonna go see her and see the baby for the first time. He's so cute. Dev. Oh, okay. You just let me like that. So I'm sitting on my floor, but I just finished doing the like bleaching of the knots, and now it's just sitting there for 30 minutes, and I'm going to export that footage onto my laptop and then wash it out and just leave the wig to dry. Oh, I got hairs like all over me now from Devin. Good morning. So yesterday I literally spent all day at my half sister's house, and girl, her baby is so cute. I literally sat with him for hours, and I already have baby fever, and it just made my baby fever even worse. He was the cutest thing in the world. I literally wanted to take him home, but yeah, I had so much fun. I stayed there until like literally 9:30 or something. I need to start dyeing a wig. It's right here. And also I want to film this like try on clothing haul, and I actually want to do that today, but I'm just like I don't feel comfortable in my body, because if you guys don't know, I have been dealing with an eating disorder. I made a whole video about that, and it's just been really bad. So I feel like I just don't feel comfortable, you know, doing that, even though I'm sure it's fine, but like I keep postponing it. So instead I'm just gonna edit and post the Halloween video today and see how I feel tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll feel a bit better to film it. I've been so bad at vlogging today. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit better tomorrow. It is super late, so I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. Tomorrow I have to be in Amsterdam pretty early for an appointment, but before that I want to try to go to the gym. I don't know if I will, but I haven't been in a really long time and I really want to be able to go, but it depends on how I feel and if I wake up early, because if I want to go I'm gonna have to wake up really early. If not, I'll just try again the day after. I don't know. Okay, so this morning I literally almost slept through my alarm. I did, and then I woke up and I had to leave in like 5 minutes for my appointment, but I made it and I've been home for a little bit. One of my uncles actually came with his wife and we ate soup and stuff, so that's why I didn't vlog earlier. But now it's like 2:30 and I'm so tired. Like I am going to pass out, so I'm just gonna take a nap for maybe like an hour because I need to film something and I really want to do it today. But I really need to take a nap before I do that, because if I don't, I'm just gonna be so dead in the video. So yeah, yesterday I was like, tomorrow I'm gonna vlog better. Look at me now. What's up guys, I'm starting to vlog in my mom's room because look at this lighting. Oh my god. Also haven't put on makeup since like last week, so feels good. I put on this wig, which is actually the wig that I'm doing 2 sponsored videos with, so that's exciting. I need to go film the intro and outro to one of the videos right now and then get ready to leave. But yeah, I actually really like how it came out. This was the one that I was dyeing as well, and I like how it's like a warm tone. I was going for ashy, but now that it's this, like I'm actually really digging it. And it is a little bit splotchy because like I'm not a professional, but I think it came out pretty good. I'll try to vlog much today because I'm going to Amsterdam, so it's like something fun to show. We're going to this, I don't know if I said this, my friend and I are going to this vegan pancake place, so I'm excited to see if their stuff is good. I'm leaving right now. I had to be so fast. I didn't realize I had like 5 minutes to film that intro and outro, so I did it really fast, and then I realized that I forgot to charge my phone, so I'm bringing my charger, but I have like 42%, which is fine, but not when I also want to vlog. So I forgot this elevator doesn't work. So yeah, quickly gonna see if I can catch the bus. If not, I'm gonna have to walk really fast. I'm never late, so I hate when I'm running late. My makeup looks fucking good, bitch. Oh my god. So cute, the Mark's here.
Hey, chicken and juices.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at the juices. We're off to the pancake place, guys.
And it stinks.
Yeah, it smells kind of bad here. We don't know where it is exactly, but we're just gonna follow Google Maps and see where we end up, because I'm never here.
Why am I feeling like
Want you to be mine,
And
want you to be mine.
It's raining. I don't have an umbrella, nor do I have what's it called again? A hood. So that's
A capuchon.
really a capuchon. But we're about to go back home. It's fucking raining. I want to go from the fucking ill. Disgusting. This is why I don't want to live here. I totally forgot to continue vlogging yesterday, but it's 11:30 right now. I've been up since literally 7 a.m. because I woke up and I couldn't sleep anymore. I just filmed the try-on portion of a haul I'm doing, and now I'm going to make myself breakfast, and then I'm filming a get ready with me, and then I'm filming the rest of that haul. So it's a busy day, but I'm gonna go make a smoothie. I'm so sorry for how shitty I've been vlogging today, but I just finished filming 2 videos and now I'm just gonna edit, and like I'm fucking tired. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe, and come back next Saturday for another weekly vlog because I do them every week. I've been keeping up. I'm proud of myself. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.